When Microsoft Excel 2010 was released, Microsoft introduced a new feature called the page layout view. Now, if you work inside of Microsoft Word, you can view it in page layout view, Microsoft Word documents, and you see individual pages. When you view an Excel worksheet, it's just a big mass of columns and rows. You don't really see where content is going to fit on a page. We saw earlier that we could do file, print, and then go back out to the worksheet, and we can see those little gray dashed lines. And that will help represent where the page breaks are happening, what individual pages will look like with your content. Well, the page layout view takes it even a step further. Take a look at this. So if I go back out to my normal worksheet view, I'm then going to go up to my View tab, top of the screen there. And towards the left-hand side, I've got workbook views. Yours might be on the far left. Yours might be pushed over a little bit just based on what version of Excel you have. I'm currently looking at normal view. This is the default normal view, standard view that you'll have inside of Excel. It's just a big mass of columns and rows like we've been working in. Just to the right, a couple of options. We've got page layout view. This is page layout. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. But now we literally get to see the individual pages. And the nice thing about this one over those little dashed gray lines that we saw earlier is you get to see the margins, right? Where do the margins fall on that page as well? We didn't see that with just the little gray lines, but literal individual pages. So now I can adjust that chart a little bit better, kind of find that middle of the page, my smart art graphic here. That definitely needs to be adjusted. Oh, and I think that's looking pretty good. But this is your page layout view. Again, kind of similar to working inside of a Microsoft Word document where you see individual pages anyways, okay? At least by default. If you want to get back into the normal worksheet view, it's just back to the View tab, and we've got normal. That'll take you back to your standard working environment of Microsoft Excel's worksheets. But I love the page break preview or the page layout preview. Go to View, Page Layout, and individual pages. Very nice to kind of eyeball it before you send it to the printer and make sure it's looking good and what you want it to display as. So, maybe I want that chart to scale up. I can literally see where the edge of the pages are at. Get that thing to fill it. Maybe the same thing with my smart art here. Let's scale that bad boy up, man. Let's show it off that smart art. Yeah, nice. So if I get back into File, Print, there's my spreadsheet, there's my nice big smart art, and there's my chart. Very, very slick. So try this out. It's just View, get into your workbook views. I'm messing around with page layout view, individual pages. You can see where they're at. You can even adjust column widths, row heights, adjust all of that live right here. Get a nice preview for it. So try that out.